Good morning, y'all, and welcome to the start of a new vlog. I am currently heading out to go pick up my friends because we're going to go get some breakfast. It's my turn to drive them for once. Usually they're always the ones that pick me up. So that is where I'm heading. It is Friday today, and I feel like Fridays are like the start to the week. It's 9:30 right now. I just woke up like 30 minutes ago, and I feel like I just sound so tired from my voice because I am, and I haven't eaten anything yet since we are going to get breakfast. And yeah. Hello. We just had our avocados.
Did you get a video of the crepes?
Yeah, I took a video of the crepes.
They were so good and super sweet.
We didn't make your own crepe.
French fries now.
Oh,
yeah.
That's what we should go get. The French fries?
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A?
Yeah.
I hope they have their fries too. Perfect.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Peanut oil, right? Okay. Good. Okay.
I was allergic to
The world's gonna know.
peanuts. The amount of times I have like come around like with peanuts with you is so bad. Like I'm such a bad friend for that.
No, it's okay.
It's always Navia's like,
Remember it?
Yeah, she'll be like, Pusha, put those away.
We got Aisha's ketchup because she's boring. We got Nabia's sweet and spicy sriracha because she's spicy, and Busha's Chick-fil-A sauce because she's special.
Because she's original.
Original, I know, it's like special.
I was like, I don't know what the word is.
We just got 2 large fries because we were craving something salty after just eating all that sweet stuff. I haven't had
buffet of sauces is so funny. Sorry, what?
No, I was saying I haven't had Chick-fil-A fries in like I can't remember the last time. It's been a while.
I had it was with you.
Same, and that was like how many months ago, Navia? Like,
I don't know.
Do you guys remember the rumors
Long
that they were
time
gonna open one like near our place?
Wait, damn it, are you guys together? Damn TFTI haters. Lisa.
she was
I told
busy
you that
working.
she's gonna say something.
Yeah, she's joking around. She's at work. You know you would have been invited. You have work. You're a big girl. Go to work. Everyone has big girl jobs. Bush and her vlogging. Big girl job.
Big girl job, y'all. I am so excited about this package. It is a PR package from Culture Hijab, which I haven't really gotten much stuff from Culture Hijab, but when they reached out, I was like, yes, sign me up. I would love to try out some products. I did not expect the package to be this big, so I'm really excited to open it. Thought I'd open it with you guys. Been home for a while. I'm out of breath trying to bring this box in this room. It's kind of heavy. They did give me a discount code, y'all, so if you were ever buying anything on their website, you can use the code, I believe it's BUSHRAKH10, to save, I'm guessing 10% because it has 10. I love how they package their hijabs like not in plastic and they put them like all together. I'll start off with these 2 right here. These are prayer mats. It's so nice and thick and I love the color of this. I'm definitely going to put this in my car. It'll just be perfect for like when out and about. It's like a purpley brown, so I guess like mauve. How do you say that? It also has like a little strap thing, which I'm guessing you can put it on there and then you can kind of like carry it over your shoulder. This one is a like more light brown shade. How cute, y'all. Ooh, okay, I have been loving baseball like sort of caps, and they had this one. It's like a acid wash color and it says Culture on it. I thought this would be so cute. Let's see how it looks, I guess. I mean, my bun's like kind of higher up. I think I need to lower that. Yeah, I definitely need to fix my bun. I'm not the biggest fan of this. I kind of like my caps to be more like that. And this one's kind of like wider, but it might just be because it was in the package. Let me like play around with this, but as far as right now, I'm not really liking this. They sent over some like basic tees, which I love these like kind of mock neck sort of tops. So we have white, this one is in brown, black, wait, what's this? It's the like instant hijab. I don't know how this is going to look on me, but I'm excited to try it out, and it's in a brown shade in the jersey. How pretty is this hijab pattern? It's kind of like a sort of almost tie-dye like pattern. We have a like stone hijab. The chiffon feels so nice. I believe this is one of their chiffon hijabs too, but it has like some texture to it. It reminds me of like Veiled Collection's crepe hijabs almost. Got some new undercaps to try out. This one is a like ninja one, so it'll cover your neck and give you like full coverage, which is amazing. Usually I don't like these kinds of hijabs, like I don't know what it is, but my neck starts to get like super itchy, but I will try this out. I think it just depends on the fabric. Like I have really sensitive skin for whatever reason. This is their like regular undercaps with a mesh back, so it's like breathable, just amazing. And then the front has like that color, which matches this. I'm so excited. I love my matching hijab and undercaps. And then this one kind of matches this one as well. We have this. Oh, this is like one of the square ones. I love this one. Look at the print on this. It's very like simple. It's not like too much going on, but I feel like it'd be so cute with like certain outfits if you're wearing like all neutrals to just like kind of add a little bit of something with your hijab. This would look so cute. Hope you guys enjoyed that little mini haul. I just created like a whole mess in front of me that I now need to clean up, so I will do that. I'm also getting a phone call. I think I'm just going to like chill for the rest of the night. We're having dosas for dinner tonight, so I'm excited about that. Anyone else just obsessed with the home goods snacks? They're so good.
You had me coming for one thing and then you got me hooked onto the food stuff.
She came for like home decor.
Do I want this? Does it even like
I don't
sound
know.
good? It kind of does.
It's fun to try out new stuff.
Whole fruit gummies, no sugar added. Like, I didn't
They look
see.
good.
They kind of do.
Ugh.
Okay, I'll get it.
So many fun snacks. This sounds so good. I think I'm gonna get them. Made in Italy.
Literally bushes out here.
We're not getting what we came for. Or you. I just came to give you
Came to
company.
distract me.
Yeah, I came to distract you and get all the snacks.
Okay, what would you think would be better? The Parmesan garlic and herb or the rosemary?
I've never tried rosemary, so I don't know.
Yeah, but then like, should I just get I don't want that many chips. 10 pieces.
Good afternoon, y'all. It is Sunday today. Me and Frida are currently in San Francisco.
So hungry.
Yeah, we're hungry. I feel like
Check.
we're always eating, y'all, but that's just what me and Frida love to do together, I guess.
She does more than I do. But since I've been working out, I'm getting more hungry. Therefore.
Oh yeah, when you
I'm
start
tagging
working
along.
out, it like increases your appetite so much. We're getting pizza. This place is called Empire Pizza. Is that what it was, Frida?
Yeah.
I've never tried it. We'll let you know how it is. The reviews were good. Just looked like a nice little chill pizza place. We thought pizza sounded good. And
Yeah, with this weather.
yeah, the weather's like really coldish today. I have my warmer jacket in the back if I need that one. Update, it's like 30 minutes later and me and Frida are still in the car. We're not going to go to that pizza place anymore because it was like no parking. And we were literally right there for like 30 minutes just stuck because of some parade or something that's going on in SF. Still very hungry. I thought we only had 8 minutes till that pizza, but no. It's been 30 minutes since then, y'all. We've just been sitting in the car. Here, Hamukalla. We got our pizza.
Finally, after how many hours?
I know. We just went to this place, like right here. We're so tired, I don't know. We're just sitting in the car all day. What is that place even called? Not the best area, so we just got it to go.
True.
And we're eating it in the car. Thanks. Why you going like this? Okay. That's pretty fast, actually.
Yeah. Wasn't too bad.
Bismillah.
Can I get with a napkin?
You give them all to me?
Yeah, my hands were clean, but a little bit of them fell.
It's good,
It's good.
but it's not my favorite pizza like I've ever had. But it's like, okay. I wouldn't get it again, is what I'm saying. What about you?
Same.
To merge onto I-80 West towards San Jose.
We stopped by for some boba from this place called Boba Chen. I'm excited. I got a mango, like freeze is what it was called, I think. And I added boba in it, of course. Let's do a little taste test. Bismillah. It's really mangoey. It's good. Try it, Freed. Give us your taste test. How do you like it? Did you get too much boba? You always do that. How is it though? Minus all the boba you just got in his mouth. If you only guys could see how much boba he has in his mouth right now. He literally drank. Okay, yeah, look at that. It's so much like not as full.
Okay, so we came to Twin Peaks and we couldn't go all the way up because the gate was closed.
Yes.
So only halfway. You see this much.
So it looks really nice from here.